Hello and welcome to another video. So today I have the Duralex Picardie tumblers. These are made in France. These are supposed to be stackable, so they're not going to chip if you stack on top of each other, which if you don't have a lot of cabinet space, you must be well aware that you got to stack your glasses, cups and things like that. Like if you're just going to put them one at a time, you're not going to have a lot of space. So I live in an apartment. I don't have unlimited cabinet space, and even if you don't live in an apartment, people don't have unlimited cabinet space. So these are nice to have so that you're not chipping your glasses every time you stack them. All right, let's open it up and see what's inside. So this is supposed to come with 6 count of 3 different sizes: 8 3/4 ounce cup, 12 5/8 ounce cup, and then 17 ounce cups. All right on top we have the smallest cups. There we go. So this is the classic Duralex design. There's other designs, but this happened to be what I purchased. So as you can see, it doesn't create any suction between the lid of the cup and then the next cup. So you can stack them on top of each other and not chip the edges. Let's see what else we have in here. The next size is the 12 5/8 ounce cup. Same thing here. Stack them without an issue. And then the last ones in there are the 17 ounce ones. Rip this box a little bit, but that's okay. Pause it. I have these cups here that I used to use. I like the wavy pattern, but the thing is, so this is a normal one. It hasn't chipped yet, but as you can see, this is not from dropping the cup or anything like that. See, this one's chipped too. I already threw away 3 other cups because they were chipped a lot more. So when you stack them, the edge of the lip of the cup touches the other glass, and then when you pull it out, sometimes it just chips it. So as you can see, a chip here and a chip here. The nice thing with the Duralex ones is you're not gonna have those chips. So dishwasher safe, microwave safe, thermal shock resistant, as well as tempered glass. So this should be good to use. You shouldn't put it in the oven though. Don't try to bake a brownie or something, and it's not meant for that. But it should be dishwasher and microwave safe. I've heard a lot of good things about these. I would recommend them if you're somebody like me who likes to stack their glasses or cups. So some of the other features is its shock resistance, also impact and chip resistance. So most of the time if you drop them, they're not going to break, but if they break into these fine pieces so you don't cut yourself. And then they obviously have really good quality control, and they are freezer safe, so you can put them in the freeze, like I said, stackable, and they don't have little crevices in the cup, so they're hygienic. They don't have pores for the bacteria to grow into and things like that. And this is what comes in the 18 pack. This costs about $70, give or take, depending on if you can find a good deal. But that is it for the Picardie tumblers. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in the next one.